welcome back to my channel, you guys. Real quick, I got frustrated with the poncho I was working on and I put it aside, so I'm gonna work on something else. When I tend to get frustrated on a project, I just start on something new. For some reason, I tend to choose harder projects when I get stuck on another one. Start anew, start fresh. Today what I have here is I did something and I frogged it, that's why it's in a ball. This is actually Caron Skinny Cake. This is in Melon Smoothie. And I have this photo here that I saw online. And so I'm gonna try, that's the goal for right now. I'm just playing around, swatching this new yarn and stuff. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll update you guys in a bit. But that's the idea. I wanna make this. Even though it's a knit, I'm gonna try and see if I can make it as close to as possible in crochet. So that's the goal. Let's see how this goes. Grab your cup of coffee. And let's see if I can do a Caron Skinny Cake in a very nice sweater for you today. Alright you guys, so quick update. This is what the front panel's looking. I'm working from right to left. So I'm going to add a border, so don't worry. There's going to be a border around it. But for right now, I want you to see I added ribbing here. I added 2 ribbing. One that ended here, and then one that continued at the end of this, and then I added this horizontal stitching. I don't know if you can tell. There you go. Just a quick shout out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it. I just updated my cover art with some of the stuff I've created, some dog sweaters and my sweaters. That's pretty cool. But yeah, check it out, guys. I got lots of cool videos. Let me pause my 30 rock. I was gonna do a triangle or arrow design type of thing. I'm playing around. This is the first time I'm actually doing this technique, which is doing designs with front posts. So I'm just playing around with it. It's not gonna look like the picture, but it is gonna have lots of texture. So right now it's looking like diagonal. I'm gonna try and do an arrow. So if things go well, this is the half. So that's the collar. That's half of the arrow, and then I'm going to do the other half right now. Alright, quick update guys. This is what it's looking like. I'm doing the collar currently right now. I love how it looks. This is my crochet hat. My alter ego, if you will. But yeah, what do you guys think? So it's a little too short. Now I know in terms of dimensions, but I love it, guys. It has this very like cowboy look to it. I'm just gonna add some ribbing here in the bottom. So if you see, there is texture underneath the collar. There you go. There's texture underneath. All right, so another quick update. Right now I am going in the round on the bottom. I am closing it and decreasing it just slightly so that way it gives it a nice and snug body frame. And what I decided to do actually is here on the bottom, I ended up doing front post, and this is going to keep going, so this is actually going to get pretty long. But the reason why I did that was instead of doing ribbing and then attaching it to it, I'd rather just crochet this into it, so it's just 2 front posts alternating, and that should give it a ribbing look at the end once I finish it. All right, cool. So ribbing is now done. So now I'm going to do the sleeves and I'll update you guys back. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. We're on the finishing touch. I might just add a couple half double crochet rows because it is curling up here. So I gotta find a solution to that. Oh, I might just do a back post. I think that'll fix it. But yeah, guys. Sleeve update, guys. 1 down. Added the ribbing here with some front post instead of adding same thing I did here on the bottom. But yeah, guys, look at that. It's so cool. I love it. And this side, you can see the sleeves. See all the colors that are in the cake. Look at that. It's like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, it actually is 10 colors. That's actually pretty cool. So on the arms, you're actually going to get a full color swatch. Hopefully that happens on the other side too. I'm going to try and plan it so they both look similar. But yeah, check it out. Look at that. So cool. I love it. Oh yeah, and I added button. I'm going to add buttons. I just decided which ones I'm going to do. I'll sew that on at the end to complete the look. Alright, so quick update. I am adding the final touches of the buttons, and then we will do the final reveal. So I finished both sleeves. I added a couple buttons. I'm on the third one right underneath the collar, and yeah, let's get ready for the big reveal. Alright, so thank you so much everybody for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here for this Skinny Cakes tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this beautiful sweater that we're wearing. So real quick, this was just done in 3 parts, the 2 panels, front and back, and then the arms. The ribbing was not a separate part. It was just 2 front posts being repeated to give the illusion of a border. And this is how much is left. So out of 2 cakes, I used about 98% of it. So not enough for a hat or anything like that, but it's very good to know that I could at least have adjusted this and made it a little bit bigger. It's so soft, it's so comfy. It doesn't have any wool in it, but it's nice and breathable, and I'm indoors with it. I just went outside, it was really chilly to throw out the garbage, and it was perfect. Getting us ready for the fall. Let me know in the comments down below what types of things you guys want me to make. Do you guys prefer sweaters, ponchos, scarves, cowls? I do them all, but I would rather start making things that you guys would enjoy to make with me. And any ideas you guys have, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We've hit over 1,000 subscribers now, and I cannot wait to show you guys the future designs of LIMON Crochets. So see you guys in the next video. Also, on a quick note, I know, technically the sweater is a little bit too small on me. It could have made it a little bit longer, but I was experimenting with some stitches and some stuff, and I really didn't want to unfrog it. The whole point why I started this was because I had to frog my swirl cakes poncho. I have to unfrog all of this, and it gets knotted, so I had to take a break and do this. But I know this was bigger, the fit's a little off, so please forgive me in that. The fit is off a little bit, but hopefully you guys can see the vision and see this. I'm going to redo it anyways because I really liked how this looked, but in my size. I'm going to make sure I measure everything right correctly.